हेलो गाइज एंड वेलकम टू iQuanta's यूट्यूब चैनल. आई एम इन FMS दिल्ली टुडे एंड यहाँ पे एक फिएस्टा इनका फेस्ट चल रहा है. सो वी आर इन बिटवीन ऑफ अ फेस्ट एंड आई हैव फ्यू स्टूडेंट्स विद मी. सो प्लीज इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ. लाइक यू आर इन फर्स्ट ईयर और सेकंड ईयर. आपका कैट परसेंटाइल कितना था?
Hi everyone, I am Sadia Shakir. I'm in second year of my MBA at FMS and I scored 99.73 percentile in CAT 2023.
Hi everyone, I'm Mansi Sharma. I'm currently in my first year of FMS and I got a 99 percentile in CAT.
Hi everyone, I'm Aryan. I'm in the first year here at FMS and I got a 99.64 percentile.
Hi everyone, I'm Adrika. I'm also in the first year here at FMS and I scored a 99 percentile in CAT.
Hello everyone, I am Dhruv Bhattacharya. I am in first year too and I scored 99.61 percentile.
Hello, good evening. I am Saran Jaiswal. I am a batch of 2026 student about to graduate in a few months and I scored 99.21 percentile.
ओके, सो ऑन एन एवरेज सबका ही 99.5 के आसपास है. तो अपार्ट फ्रॉम FMS, लाइक व्हाट ऑल कॉल्स जो आप लोगों की कन्वर्ट हुई थी, एंड डिड यू गाइज लीव बैंगलोर और कैलकाटा फॉर दिस? लाइक किसी ने लखनऊ छोड़ा FMS के लिए?
Yeah, I did.
ओके, एंड व्हाट वाज द रीजन?
Mainly the ROI factor. I also left IIM Calcutta for the same reason.
कैलकाटा भी कन्वर्ट हो गया था?
Yeah, I had all the black eyes shortlist.
ठीक है. तो देयर इज दिस नोशन FMS के अराउंड कि यार आपका प्रोफाइल इफ अगर वो थोड़ा सा एवरेज भी है तब भी इफ़ यू स्कोर अ वेरी गुड परसेंटाइल तो वो कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. तो हाउ ट्रू इज़ दैट? मतलब आई डोंट थिंक ग्रेजुएशन का वेटेज है, वर्क एक्स का वेटेज है, जो कि उसमें आई थिंक सिलेक्शन क्राइटेरिया मेंशन भी है. बट 10th-12th में इफ़ यू हैव लाइक अराउंड 60-70% के आसपास भी, तो कैन समवन कन्वर्ट FMS?
I
अगर
think
19.8 के आसपास स्कोर कर देता तो?
I think they can definitely can. हमारे बैच में भी कुछ स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिनका 6-7 में आया है 9-10th में. But again, you have to crack your personal interview so well that no one can reject it.
ओके. एंड FMS के जब आप आए कॉलेज में, हाउ वाज योर फर्स्ट डे?
The first day was very interesting. So when we come to FMS, it starts with an induction process.
ओके.
And you get to interact with a lot of seniors on the first day. And I would not want to spoil it for many people because it's a very unique experience. And it makes more sense if you don't know what's going to happen when you come. But the first 10 days are very enjoyable and stressful for a variety of reasons. I would prefer people who want to come here to find out themselves what happens here. I also wanted to add on to the work experience thing. Even though they don't have an explicit criteria for work experience, what we have noticed this year is that they have started preferring candidates with more work experience. Even though there's no explicit criteria, but in the interviews maybe they are people with work ex are able to add more in terms of their answers or in terms of their experiences, and that's why they are being preferred.
ओके. एंड देयर इज दिस थिंग कि यार यहाँ पे बिकॉज कैंपस ऑलमोस्ट शुरू होते ही खत्म हो जाता है ना. एंड अभी मैंने ध्रुव से पूछा भी कि यार हॉस्टल गए, तो उन्होंने कहा कि यहाँ पे आई थिंक 40-50 रूम्स हैं, हम सब कमला नगर में रहते हैं. तो जब कैंपस नहीं है तो इससे कुछ डिफरेंस पड़ता है? बिकॉज मैं आई थिंक कल ही आई एम रायपुर होके आया हूँ एंड वहाँ पे देयर इज लाइक दिस ह्यूज कैंपस और डिफरेंट ब्लॉग्स एंड ऑल. तो इन दिस स्मॉल सेट आई नो द ROI थिंग एंड द प्लेसमेंट एंड एवरीथिंग एंड लेगेसी ऑब्वियसली, बट क्या कैंपस छोटा होने से भी फर्क पड़ता है?
थोड़े प्रोज एंड कॉन्स तो हैं ही, बट
व्हाट आर द प्रोज? कौन से दिख रहे हैं?
Pros is we can go anywhere anytime because we fundamentally we are living in clusters outside. तो हम फ्लैट में रहते हैं, PG में रहते हैं, कभी भी घर जा सकते हैं, कभी भी एक दूसरे के घर जा सकते हैं, and we can enjoy in a different manner.
Okay.
So and cons is that yeah, the campus life we miss the amenities. और जब अभी हम IIM लखनऊ गए थे recently, so we saw all the facilities that they had. But after a time, I feel like now we are adjusted to FMS, so we are enjoying this more because our pass mein we can reach anywhere in 2 minutes and we are all nearby. So I think that's also very
एंड
fun.
2 years later कोई EMI भी नहीं देना होगा तो
That's the best part.
ठीक है. सबसे बड़ा मिथ यहाँ पे आके क्या ब्रेक हुआ कि यार कुछ FMS के अराउंड सोचा हो कि ऐसा कुछ होगा एंड यहाँ के आपको लगा हो कि ये क्या है?
Compared to other B schools, I think FMS academically is a little bit chiller.
Okay.
Like IIM, A, B, C, in fact Lucknow they call it hell. तो उस मामले में आई थिंक अकेडमिक लाइफ FMS की कंपैरेटिवली चिलर है. तो एक वो था. बाकी ऑब्वियसली यू विल सी अ लॉट ऑफ स्मार्ट पीपल अराउंड विद ग्रेट प्रोफाइल्स, ग्रेट माइंड्स, बहुत स्मार्ट लोग हैं. तो मिथ एज सच कि हाँ, लाइक एज ही सेड, first 10 days of induction, like I don't think anyone is prepared for that. And I think वो नहीं भी बताना चाहिए, because better रहेगा a lot not just in FMS, in a lot of B schools before जो SIP जो वो 3-4 महीने का जो पीरियड रहता है वो स्ट्रेसफुल बोलो enjoyable बोलो, like ठीक है, it is the experience is worth a lifetime. That actually shapes you in a lot of ways, more than one.
Okay, and you are in second year, right?
Yes.
तो first year versus second year कितना difference आता है daily schedule में, and कितना hectic रहता है? Like first year ज़्यादा problem आती है, second year में ज़्यादा problem आती है?
Problem as such, see you in second year you have been in the college for 1 year, and so you know a lot of professors, and तो एक थोड़ा उनके साथ रैपो बन जाता है, तो academically थोड़ा और चिलर हो जाता है. बाकी रेगुलर क्लासेस के टाइम होते हैं 9 to 4. Which is for first years. In second years, we opt for electives, and a lot of electives are from 4 to 7 as well.
Okay.
बाकी शाम में we are in the full time batch. यहाँ पे executive MBA भी होती है, and PhD भी students भी PhD भी होती है, तो they have their classes as well.
Okay. And any tip you guys, मतलब individually हर किसी से मैं चाहता हूँ कि यार, क्योंकि the YouTube channel is all about CAT preparation, है ना, तो lives होते हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें रहती हैं, तो mostly अगर 80% जो भी लोग देख रहे हैं, they are preparing for CAT 26, and currently it is February. तो some tips and strategy if you want to tell students कि क्या चीज़ें करनी चाहिए अभी से लेकर, if they want to score something similar to your score.
I would say being consistent is सबसे ज़्यादा important. It's not like we work 10 hours, 12 hours every day, but we were consistent for that period जितना हमने दिया था. हर दिन कुछ भी हो, Sunday हो, is there any holiday, दिवाली हो, we were very consistent with that period, and we gave our best उतने period में.
Yeah, I mean, I think outside of consistency, also grit is very important. Like, for example, the people around you might not be preparing for CAT. Like, your friends might not be preparing for CAT, but you need to know that till this month I have to complete this much. Till this month I have to do this much practice. So just sticking to that despite everything around you is very important.
Apart from all this, I would say complete your syllabus as soon as possible and revise as much as possible. Revision does make a difference, personally in my opinion.
I think my friends have given a lot of technical details, but I would say that having the right mindset is what's most important in my perspective, because like in my case at least, I did not do well in a lot of mocks, but on the D day, on the CAT exam, it was my best performance so far, and my device even crashed on the CAT day. A lot of bad things were happening, but like I was resilient. I knew that I had to get through it. So it's just very important to have that state of mind, and that's what will get you through.
Yeah, and one more thing you need to keep in mind is FMS has a higher weightage for VARC as compared to the other sections. So if you're better at English and stuff, then it's easier for you.
And like individually आप लोगों ने कितने mocks दिए थे, because the mock season start होने वाला है. Like how many mocks did you give for CAT?
I gave
If you
around
remember.
15 to 20 mocks.
15 to 20.
Same number.
Same number almost. किसी ने ज़्यादा दिया हो?
30, including both the full length mocks and sectionals. Including both full length mocks, that should be less than 20, but if we include sectionals as well, तो वो 30s के around हो
And
जाएंगे.
what
30,
was
30,
your
40.
first mock score? किसी को याद है? Exact मत बताओ. Below 70?
Below 7. Yeah.
Almost सबका?
I had 10, like I got -4 in LRD.
Yeah, same. I've seen negatives and zeros and everything. So, I mean, I think the practice that you do, it all adds up in the end. So, if your first mock is really bad, I have seen negative score, I've seen zeros also in like, sectionals. It's okay, like you have to keep going with it. And at the end, it'll be fine on the detail.
And Dhruv I think was part of iQuanta crash
Yeah,
course
so I
also.
was giving the, and it's very realistic, the iQuanta mocks, and I was getting negative kabhi kabhi. But the thing is, as I said earlier, and she said, you have to be gritty. Like even if you have bad mocks, because many people, they stop giving mocks. They are like, because they get scared. But we have to keep giving it. And finally on D-Day, we might give our best.
So guys, बहुत सारे messages हमारे पास आते हैं. First mock का वो जो screenshot होता है कि I scored 60 percentile, मैं सब कुछ छोड़ देना चाहता हूँ. तो ये एग्जाम्पल्स भी आपके सामने. ऑलमोस्ट सभी बोल रहे हैं कि 70 परसेंटाइल के आसपास था, एंड FMS ऑलमोस्ट सबका ही 99.5 के आसपास स्कोर है. सो दिस वाज द, क्या बोल सकते हैं इसको, चिट चैट इंटरव्यू एंड ऑल, एंड आई वांट यू गाइज टू जस्ट से ऑल द बेस्ट टू CAT 26 एस्पिरेंट. एक साथ. सो 1 2 3 ऑल द बेस्ट.